You like it?
Okay.
Hey flower, you need sunlight? Take sunlight. Hey flower, you need air? Air. Hey flower, you need water? Drink the water. Okay, so now you know what a flower needs to grow? Water, sunlight, air. Yes. Oh, okay. Well, you want to give water to flower? Okay, give me. Only one drop. Only because this is not a real flower. It's a plastic flower. Yes, I gave the flower water, and now Shahan's water is gonna get the water. Yeah. Now Shahan and Rose, tomorrow you're gonna tell me about your flowers, if they're growing or no. Okay? Hey, you want a real flower? I'll tell your mom to buy for you our real flowers and little vase, and then we'll keep it here and we'll give water every day and we'll see if it's growing or not.
Mom, I saw you in the supermarket.
Oh, we'll get one from there, okay? Bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye, everyone. We have taught you today about the flower.